The castings used in Isuzu engines, utilizing advanced synthetic cast iron and molten iron inoculation technology. Equipped with Japanese JEC processing centers, etc. High temperature resistance. Complex thin-walled water jacket integral core making technology. The cylinder block and head are precisely controlled by ultra-precision aviation models. The cylinder block is processed by roughing, semi-finishing, rough machining, semi-finishing, and finishing. It is equipped with unique fuel injection compensation, VGT, and precise electronic fuel injection technology. The transmission is made of high-quality GIS standard alloy steel. The gears are treated with Japanese complete heat treatment equipment. Perform precise process control. It adopts the unique two-stage shot blasting process. Gear surface strengthening treatment. Using international first-class precision gear ring run-out tester, precision gear shape and gear direction measuring instrument. Equipped with 3 coordinate detector. The static torque safety factor of the gear is over 3.5. The durability test time is 1,143 hours. Achieve no deformation even after 2 million kilometers. After being taken off the production line, the equipment undergoes multiple intelligent online testing and analysis processes. Noise levels are far below national standard limits. It has slope assist, clutch protection, tow control, fault detection, and other functions. It has multiple modes such as manual, automatic, economic, dynamic, and popular. Make the transmission power smooth. The transmission efficiency and comprehensive fuel economy. It has introduced 3 fully automated forging lines from Miller, including a 12,800 tons forging and heat treatment line to achieve full line automated control, using German Miller Vanguarden electric screw press, with stable impact energy and accurate stroke, front axle steering knuckles and other broken parts. Axle assembly achieves a high level of automation. The eccentricity of the main and driven gears is only 0.05 millimeter. Isuzu is equipped with world-class welding robots. All vehicles achieve high-precision automatic welding. The remote communication module and the central control system with the field equipment. Tupu realizes model recognition and grabbing, assemble and spot weld, quality monitoring, equipment operation, and other processes. It adopts 3C to B spraying process. The paint film's fullness, reliability, and durability reach the level of passenger car. It is equipped with a 5-axis gantry machining center, German original vacuum heat treatment equipment, through database process analysis, and parametric design of mold structure and other advanced methods. Solve the problem of high-strength steel plate of 980 and the rebound of 9 mm medium-thick sheet metal and other industry problems. The chassis adopts the cutting-edge equal stress design concept and structural improvement, process improvement, and other 28 standardized optimization projects, achieving ultimate lightweight. The upper surface of the frame is flat without protrusions. The chassis components are tightly arranged. Standard holes are reserved in the longitudinal beams of the frame. 4 series and 8 models of frames achieve flexible automated production to achieve the precision control of welding deformation. Quality improved by 36%. The lifting device employs a pneumatic pickup and automatic conveying mechanism to realize the synchronous operation of workpiece transfer. Welding machines, lifting devices, and transplanting machines are integrated into a digital dynamic management system, managed in real time and dynamically, and transfer machines into digital dynamic management. The vehicle is tested in all aspects after leaving the line, ensuring that all regulations and functions are checked, and solve problems comprehensively, effectively control problems, to prevent mass production quality problems from entering the market, strictly ensure vehicle conformity and consistency.